It's a 2017 Audi A3 Cabriolet. From the beautifully crafted exterior to the power and precision of the engine, this A3 is crafted to give you a luxury compact that makes a big impression. It comes with all the amenities you need: streaming audio, dual zone climate control, wireless phone connectivity, power convertible roof, auto shift manual transmission, gas pressurized shocks, AM/FM HD satellite radio, leather bucket seats, front-wheel drive, and intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine. Road and Track points out, inside the A3 sedan's cabin lives up to every expectation you might have based on prior experience in modern Audis. When you drive an Audi, the design and performance make sure you stand out in a crowd. Take it for a test drive today. Call us today at 754-220-1690.